Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. And today is Wednesday, 3rd of March 2021, and I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Alright, so let's dig into the system and let's see how I traded that Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD as mentioned those opportunities in yesterday analysis review. You can find that video link in the video description. Alright, so let's dig into the system and let's see how we did today. Okay, so just quickly recap, traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. I analyze market twice a day just before London Open and the New York session, and all of my live analysis recording instantly available here, and all the analysis broadcast in the analysis section here, and all the updates are provided through live audio commentary, and also I provide updates instantly in the trading session. So let's dig into those three major pairs right now. Let's see how I analyze the today. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at here, let's move into the 4-hour. Okay, all right, so in 4-hour yesterday the price was at this level, and as I mentioned, the price might going to hit this level. That's the level, and then we're expecting a pullback, which price nicely respected. We also had a pullback long this morning, and afterwards at the New York session we also had this breakout short trade on Euro USD. And let me share with you today's analysis. Let me grab it to, okay, let me slightly make it bigger. This was the analysis I did as soon as let me share with you from today's analysis. You can see here, this was the analysis I did last night as soon as I finished my recording. I mentioned my traders. We can see based on that analysis, pull back long. Even in the morning I did this analysis because the market was this level, so I said to guys, look for the pullback. As you can see, we had another beautiful pullback long here as long as the momentum is bullish. And at the New York session I also did this analysis that look for the price nicely hit, so but we need a valid technical entry. So look, as always, if the price gonna break the previous low, which is price nicely broken, and beautiful short trade here. So technically we have taken this long here, and we also taken this short here, which you can see here, beautiful. And I just did another analysis a few minutes ago. As you can see here, this one pullback short, and if you look at right now, the price has developed pullback short here. So let's see how it's gonna go. So tomorrow, what I'm looking here, and tomorrow, just to give you a little idea, but as I said to you, we are intraday. So if you look at here, this is the level which price respected previously. You can see here, respected here, respected here, respected here, almost respected here. So and the price has broken here. So we're looking, if the price gonna stay below this level, probably, and the momentum is bearish, then probably gonna be taking a pullback short here. And if the price gonna break this level, then pullback long. So we'll let you know tomorrow. Tomorrow we also have 5 p.m. around 5 p.m. Fed chairman's speech. Let's see how that's gonna go. We also had an OPEC meeting. Let's see. So this is what exactly opportunities we're looking tomorrow. We'll keep you updated tomorrow. Let's move on to the pound dollar. Just before the pound dollar, look at here Euro USD. You can see here this pullback short, and let me share with you this morning live analysis recording just for the Euro USD. And let me show you here. So okay, so you can see here in live analysis recording, as I mentioned, about the okay, so now you can see based on this live analysis, we had a beautiful short trade, still holding short. This was the beautiful short trade, and we're still holding one of the short trade based on this analysis. And let's move on to the euro pound dollar 4-hour analysis, and let's see here what's happening here in 4-hour. As I mentioned you yesterday, and if price might gonna hit this 140,000 level, then possibility of pullback, which you can see. We also had a long, and afterwards we also had a pullback short trade on pound dollar. As you can see, the price nicely respected here. And for tomorrow, let me share with you today's analysis, guys, so yes, you can get some idea of today's. Okay, Right, so you can see here, we had this one yesterday. Okay, so this morning you can see here, this was the pretty straightforward breakout, long trade. You can see it's such a beautiful shoot up price. That's the basically we had it in, if you look at in 4 hour, we had this breakout, beautiful long, and price nicely hit 140,000. And that's what I explained to traders. Now we should be looking at short trade, as you can see in the New York session around 11 o'clock when the price hit 140,000. Because I mentioned in the analysis, look for the short at that level. As you can see, price nicely broken. After the breakout, we have another pullback short trade here. So we're technically still looking a short trade on pound dollar. And for tomorrow, what I'm looking here, that's the level. You can see here, price nicely respected. And if you look at here, another one here, beautiful. You can see here, price nicely respected this level. So we're looking another breakout of this pattern. But as I mentioned you guys, that we are intraday traders, we basically look at here, if we see momentum is bearish, we're going to be taking these trading, because I just mentioned a few minutes ago about this breakout. You can see here, beautiful. I mentioned this breakout. Okay, let me share with you the analysis. That's the analysis. So we're still looking this breakout. If the price going to break and momentum is bearish, we're mainly more interested in the pullback short trade here. So tomorrow we are looking, on this breakout trade, as I mentioned on the analysis. So let's see here. So even if you look at here, price develops sort of like a descending triangle pattern. But in the 4 hour, that's what exactly we're looking here, breakout. So if the price going to break, pull back short. And if the price going to break this level, long trade here. So we'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar. Dollar CAD. Right. So 4 hour, if you look at here, 4 hour, if you look at 4 hour yesterday, the price was at this level. So we had a both long and short trade this morning, because you can see here, because we are intraday, as soon as the price develop another pattern, let me share with you the analysis for today. And if you look at here, this was the analysis. Let me make it slightly bigger. This was the analysis I did last night, as soon as I finished my recording, that we're looking at pullback. Otherwise, if the price can break and retest, then give us the confirmation, then we're looking at short trade here. You can see the price nicely broken. Let me make it slightly bigger. So we basically taken both long and short. Let me share with you in more detail. So this was the analysis. You can see here, last night I did 22:35 GMT. And you can see if the price gonna break and retest, that's what happened nicely. As soon as the price hit the previous level, because we're watching in 4 hour, that was a major support area, and that's what we mentioned to bank some profit, a few pips, being an intraday. Then when the price reverse, then we explain to trader, now we have false breakout. But the safest trade, which we explained through live audio commentary, that if the price gonna break the recent high, then we should be taking consider taking a long trade here, because the price action mentioned could not maintain the previous low, which is, you can see it. And then you can see price nicely broken and beautiful long trade here on dollar CAD. So we have both short and long on dollar CAD. Right, so what is next? So tomorrow, just keep in mind, we have OPEC meeting. So probably that's gonna create some interesting moves. So if you look at here, we had price respected this level previously. And even now you can see here price nicely respecting it, this level. So we're looking, technically we're looking this breakout, and if the price is going to break the previous high, then probably going to be taking a pullback longs here. And if see any respected in intraday, that's what we're going to see it. Like for example, I just mentioned a few minutes ago that traders to look for this breakout. As you can see the price nicely, you can hear this one, the analysis. Let me share with you. That's the analysis. You can see around 21, just before recording my video, I mentioned traders look for this breakout, and right now you can see here price nicely broken and momentum is developed bullish. So hopefully, let's see if the price can break this level. And if you look at the previous price action, you can see here we have candle inside candle pattern in decision mode. So most safest trade would be if the price can break this level and keep taking a pullback long trade here, otherwise short. So you can see here, so I'll let you know tomorrow about this dollar CAD. So this is the pattern we are looking at, breakout opportunity on dollar CAD. And if you look at all the other pairs, we had amazing trades, most of them beautiful pips, like even in pound Swiss franc. You can see here beautiful pullback, price nicely broken and developed pullback. 2-3 pullbacks this morning. We were long on pound dollar before the budget speech, so we had a beautiful pips, both pound dollar, pound yen, and pound dollar. We had a beautiful trade. You can see here such a nice beautiful trade on pound dollar. And let's see here on euro yen, we had a beautiful trade too. You can see here beautiful as soon as the price hit in the 4-hour. But as I mentioned to you guys, we watch in 4-hour. Based on that, once the price hit that level, we broadcast that information instantly as an intraday. You can see here beautiful, such a nice beautiful counter short trade on euro yen. That was a beautiful trade. Let me share with you the 4-hour chart of the euro yen. Let's see here. Yeah, you can see here as mentioned, this when the price hit this level, and we explained to trader look for short possibility at this level, and then I did intraday analysis instantly. This was the breakout, and right now if you look at a beautiful pullback short is performing on euro yen. All right guys, you can see if you would like to see all the rest of the trades, rest of the analysis in real time with the live audio commentary, with the live 4-hour analysis alongside all these fundamental market sentiment updates in the real time. And for that, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. All right guys, so even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we provide full Forex coaching and training alongside with the trading fund opportunity. Traders who basically analyze, who develop a good portfolio based on the analysis. We also arrange trading funds for them, or even if you have experienced trader, I'm pretty sure this is all price action trading, and it's pretty understandable. And we also provide support through this live audio chat, also in the chat. So feel free to join our fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.